Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Storing raw meat on the lowest fridge shelf or in a dedicated drawer prevents juices from contaminating other foods. If you place meat higher up, make sure it's tightly sealed and never above ready-to-eat items. The most important factors are keeping your fridge cold and organizing foods to avoid cross-contamination. Temperature and careful placement matter more than the shelf itself.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.